John Kabat-Zinn? No, that's not me. My name is Mr. Mahesh Pangari.
When I started, I was sitting down and I was delivering this. I thought there was no difference between when you actually sit down or whether you stand.
Yes, it's very difficult for people to get spiritual, get into like therapy and things like that. But this is the easiest to do. Try it and follow. You don't have to
Whatever event that you have, we can put it on Facebook, YouTube, on Instagram, on Zoom, live, simultaneously.